Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma on September 27 said that the investigation into the mysterious death of Zubeen Garg in Singapore is moving ahead at a rapid pace. Addressing the media, the Chief Minister confirmed that a lookout notice has been issued against Siddharth Sharma and Shyamkanu Mahanto in connection with the case. He further revealed that 8 non-resident Indians NRIs based in Singapore who are reportedly linked to the matter have been directed to appear before the CID office in Assam for questioning. The state government has already imposed a ban on Shyamkanu Mahanto and organizations associated with him from conducting any cultural or public events in Assam. Assam RHAC chief demands strong action over Zubeen Garg's death, slams police failure. The Chief Minister reiterated that the government will ensure a fair and transparent probe to bring out the truth behind Zubeen Garg's untimely demise.
অহা 6 তাৰিখলৈকে আমি সময় দিছো শ্যামকানু মহন্ত সিদ্ধাৰ্থ শৰ্মা আৰু 8 জন সিংগাপুৰত থকা অসমীয়া ব্যক্তিক আমাৰ CID আহি সন্মুখীন হ'বৰ বাবে সকলোৰে নোটিছ আমি ভাৰতৰ সিংগাপুৰত থকা ৰাষ্ট্ৰদূতৰ হতেদি পঠুৱাই দিছো আৰু ইণ্টাৰপলৰ জৰিয়তে সিদ্ধাৰ্থ শৰ্মা আৰু শ্যামকানু মহন্তৰ বিপৰীতে লুকআউট নোটিছো আমি ইতিমধ্যে জাৰি কৰিছো যাতে তেওঁলোক কোনো বিদেশী ৰাষ্ট্ৰলৈকে পলাই যাব নোৱাৰে।